Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to download and install VMware Virtual Machine Setup, and also I'll show you how to set up a computer there and install Windows 7 OS. So okay, let's start. First open your browser and type VMware 16 Pro. Once you type that, the first website which will come, which is the VMware official website, tap on that, scroll down and you will see Windows 6 VMware 16 for Windows. Download that. Now come to your download manager and from here install the VMware Workstation Pro 16. It would take some time for the installation to complete. Let's wait till then. Once the installation is completed, the Workstation Pro setup will come. First tap on next. I have already installed VMware Workstation, so the option is not coming. If you haven't installed it, you will need a activation key. In the next video I'll cover up how to set up the activation key for VMware. Now once it's installed, open this. Now tap on create a new virtual machine. After you do, tap on custom, then next. Select I will install the operating system later. Next. Now select the current Windows version which you will install. I have selected Windows 7. There are two, one is the normal one, another is 64-bit. I will install 32-bit, so the normal one. Now give your Windows a name. I gave a name. Now select the core processor. Now you can copy this, the location file. Now select the number of cores and processor, give 1 GB RAM and use network address. Now here you will see many, here IDE and SCST, these are the HDD, SATA is SSD and NVMe is M.2. so I have SATA and SCSI. I'll select SCSI. Now in this option tap on use an existing virtual disk. Next. Now split virtual disk into multiple files. This is selected. Uncheck it and check on the second option. Now disk file. Now customize your hardware. Now tap on CD DVD. Here you will find ISO image file. Tap on browse. The file explorer will open from downloads or where you have installed Windows 7 32-bit. Tap on that and add, then finish. Now you can see it has been added successfully. Now finish. So within a few seconds your Windows 7 virtual machine will be ready. Now power on this virtual machine. The VMware software will now load. For booting for the first time it would take some time. Okay, so Windows is now loading. This process will take some time as we have given only 1 GB of RAM to the machine. I would suggest you to give 2 GB RAM if you have at least 8 GB of RAM in your PC. Okay, so our system is now loaded. Now continue with the normal Windows 7 setup. Okay, let's wait for some time. Now accept all the terms. I will select custom and I gave 60 GB of storage. Now let the files get extracted. This process will take some time. Now after it is done, the system will get for a reboot, so system will restart. Now our system is restarting. Okay, so our system is turned on and it is completing the installations. When it is done, this screen will come up and then the machine will take another reboot. Now setup is preparing your computer for first use. Once this is done, Windows 7 Professional, your PC will be now ready. Give it a name and give your password. Once you give your password, this setup Windows, I'll set up it in my way, you do yours. So this is finalized and our desktop is now ready. Hope you enjoyed the video.